Hello guys, we learnt in previous video Hello World app, how to create Hello World app and how to install emulator in your laptop by using Android Studio. You want to install emulator like this phone. You can see link in description. I will give you link in description. Let learn in this video more widgets. We learnt in previous video material widget and scaffold widget, center widget and test widget. We learnt in previous video so many widgets. In this video also we learn more widgets. Let's see how to manage your project files. Just click here. It will open your files here. Let's see here dot tool. We can use dot tools from here, and from idea of your app, anything here libraries will having. You can access your Android phone. You can access from here files. Android files is uh, Android files is here, and here build folder, some Kotlin and like that packages will be there, and here is the iOS settings and more permissions like that. Here lib folder, you can whatever code we are writing, you can write in lib folder only. Here is the Mac OS. For Mac we are I am enable the for Mac and web also. For that I am coming Mac and web folder also. You can also we enable in further videos. Let's go here. For Mac this is the extensions, and for test folder we can test the whenever you are testing our app. In that time we can useful this test folder. And Windows, for Windows also I am enable Windows web pages. For that I am coming whenever I am writing one code, it will convert the all codes like Windows and web page, and for Mac OS, for Android, for iOS, all it will create all apps. It's very crazy, no? Let's go here. This is the git connect your app. Here from access many settings, and here is the packages of your app, and what for main reason in this file it is pubsql.yml. Go to here, whatever you can use in your mobile app, means like photos and dependencies, environment, and like font styles and font family, whatever you are designing new styles, you can assign from here first, then only you can use from here lib folder. First we can assign from here, then only you can use in your files. It is in comment section, you can uncomment and you can give whatever you are giving the font styles like that. Here's the images, you can use image here. You can first assign here and then only you can use from here. That is the main pubsql.ml is main important. Each space also counted in the pubsql.ml. Each space, like one space also it is counted. Let's go here. Here it is. I can remove from for you. I am coming from first. Just importing the I am importing the package, and for that Flutter package we are taking the material dot. From that dot language we are writing the code. We are running the void main and running the app. For that running app we are creating the one class, first class. Whenever you are writing the class name, first letter should be capital, don't forget. And next you are creating now stateless widget. Just click on that. just click, I will give shortcut for you. Just click ST, click on that stateless widget and create class name FIRST first. First letter should be capital. And next, what do you want to return here? You want to return material lab. We learnt in previous video. Here the material lab, just click on that. Whenever that didn't show suggestions, just click on control space button, it will show suggestions. And here I am giving the home, just give home. For that home we are giving the scaffold. It will, for scaffold is the one of the widget, that is the give the white page to the entire column. Here the app, just see here entire column that gives the white page, that is the purpose of scaffold. Here is the material app that returns the whatever material in this, it will return. Here the scaffold, from scaffold we are writing body. This is the body. In this body we are initializing the test. Test is hello Flutter. That's it. We are created now test. Just how to turn on your emulator, just see here. Just here no devices will come, like the devices will come, just click on that. It will show whatever devices in your laptop, just it will show here. Just click your emulator name, whatever giving the emulator name. I am given copy of Jayan, I am clicking on that. And next click on run without debugging or start debugging, anything. It will debug your app like this. It will show output here. Whenever writing your code, it will show output here easily. Just see here, it will pause and play your debug options, and it is hot reload, we know. Whenever you are writing code, it will debug automatically fast, and restart means it will restart your app, and it is stop. I am clicking the Flutter hot reload. See here, white page will come. Here is the hello Flutter will come. It is the top on that. Just click. You want to center, so that I am clicking on the test and clicking on the bulb. Wrap with center will come to the center. See here how fast it is. That is the Flutter. We can create now app bar. We can see more apps, like apps are will be there. We can create now app bar. Where will we create now app bar? This scaffold we are creating in that scaffold. So we want to create below this scaffold. Here we want to create the app bar. You want a suggestion means just click control space button, it will show suggestions. Just click app bar, and next we are creating the app bar widget. Whenever you are creating widget, that widget should be capital letter, first letter should be capital. That app bar we are giving the title, for that title we are giving the title is in the form of test. What do you want to, the first app, give the test, the first app. Let's see the output. Just click on this and hot reload. See what is the output. See app bar will come, the first app, the test will be first app. See how amazing is this. Let's go another widget now. Dart language is like inheritance, parent child. See here, for this center, this is the parent. For this parent we are creating the child test. For this center we are creating the child test, like that. Dart languages are like inheritance. Next, we go to the how to give the background color for this. Just give background color for that. Here, just click on this control space button. Here, background color will come. Just click on that. Next, background color. What do you want? Colors. Colors is the one of the widget. It is the bundle of the colors already predefined. Just click on that. From that colors we are getting the dot. From that colors we are creating the taking the this colors. See, whatever color we want to create, just give here. Here I am giving the red as orange accent. Just see what is the output. Here is the output. See background color how it is changing. Next go here and remove this from the center. I am creating in body now one container. Container, first letter should be capital. Whenever creating your widget, container, see that container. Here is the container. And next we are giving the, for that container we are giving the height 100. Next width 100. We are creating the container. Color, we will give to the color. Just click color, colors dot, whatever color. I am giving the red. Just see the output, how it happens. See, one container will came at the first. You want to move to the here at the center. Just click on the container. Here one bulb will came. Just click on that, wrap with center. Here it is come to the center. See how amazing it is. That's it. You can change here heights. It will changing. See here, it will come like this. We are changing here heights. It will come like this. That's it in this video. If you like this video, like, share, comment. You can see more widgets in the next videos. You can learn more widgets in next videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, share. Thank you. Support our channel.